In satellite communications, the terms LNA, LNB, LNC and LND represent different configurations of the front-end RF hardware mounted directly at the focal point of a satellite dish antenna. Their primary jobs are to amplify the incredibly weak microwave signals descending from space and, in most cases, translate them to lower frequencies that can travel through coaxial cables without massive signal loss. The low noise amplifier or LNA contains a high gain RF amplifier with an exceptionally low noise figure. It is the very first active component after the feed horn. Its sole purpose is to boost the amplitude of the weak incoming satellite signal. Example, C band at 4 GHz, Ku band at 12 GHz or Ka band at 20 GHz, while adding as little thermal noise as possible. The output is still at the original high RF downlink frequency. LNAs are common in commercial earth stations, professional satellite distribution systems, or specialized amateur satellite setups where the amplification stage is kept physically separate from the frequency conversion stage to optimize performance and thermal management. LNB, low noise block down converter. What it contains: an LNA, a local oscillator, a mixer, and an intermediate frequency filter amplifier integrated into a single weatherproof housing. It performs two critical tasks in sequence. Amplification. The built-in LNA boosts the raw RF signal. Block down conversion. The mixer combines the amplified RF signal with a fixed frequency from the local oscillator to convert an entire wide block or band of frequencies down to a lower, more manageable intermediate frequency, typically the L band range 950 to 2150 MHz. Output is L band IF signal. This lower frequency suffers significantly less attenuation when traveling through standard coaxial cables like RG6 to an indoor satellite receiver. It is the standard consumer hardware found on almost all residential TV dishes and standard VSAT terminals. LNC, low noise converter. It is an LNA and a frequency converter stage. Historically and structurally very similar to an LNB. However, in precise RF engineering nomenclature, an LNC often refers to a unit that down converts a specific narrower segment or even a single selected channel rather than a wide contiguous block of spectrum. Output is intermediate frequency. It is more commonly referenced in legacy microwave multi-point distribution systems, older satellite equipment, or custom terrestrial microwave links where block-wide processing is unnecessary or restricted. LND, low noise down converter. What it contains: a mixer, a local oscillator, and an IF amplifier with a highly optimized low noise design, sometimes omitting the initial high gain LNA stage if it expects a pre-amplified input. It focuses strictly on the frequency translation aspect while maintaining low noise characteristics. In configurations where an LND is used, it is typically paired with an external separate LNA mounted directly at the feed horn to establish the system's noise figure before entering the LND. Output is down-converted IF signal. It is used in high-end commercial satellite tracking systems, telemetry systems, or deep space communication links where components are isolated to achieve maximum linearity, dynamic range, and cryogenic cooling of the primary amplifier stage. Here is a structural comparison. LNA amplification only, RF in, RF out. LNB amplification plus wideband down conversion, RF in to IF out. LNC amplification plus targeted frequency conversion, RF in to channelized IF output. LND low noise down conversion stage often relies on external primary LNA, RF in, IF out.